What's going on, YouTube? Hey, look, I'm doing an update. Check it out. Peppers still growing awesome. Look, got some ripe ones on here. Some ahi pineapples. Need to pick those. Look, hey, there's another one down here. All right. Not looking too bad. Tons of pods all over here. There's one starting to change a little bit. This sucker is growing way over here. All kind of stuff growing on here. I didn't notice this. What the heck is up with this pod? That's weird. Like someone squashed it. No one has like purple tip. Very weird. But yeah, they're going pretty daggone crazy. It's still warm here. Haha. Nudge, nudge, everybody. Check it out. By the way, just for time's sake, this is Friday. I don't even know. November 16th, 17th, whatever the Friday is around that time period. Just so everybody who's just got snow, look at this. I still got peppers, man, and they are huge. Remember the last update I did, early October? This is, well, I guess, mid-October, or November. And they are going crazy. Here's some Kangstar white Thai. What the heck is that? Pine needle. Ugh. Got some Kangstar white Thai popping off like crazy. Look at this. This is all one plant here. And they are going crazy. More over here. Over here. Dogs freaking out in the background. More flowers. Look at this. Flowers all over the place. Look. Pretty little flowers over here. Looking nice. And this is completely overgrown in my walkway there. Can't even get through. What else do we have? Here's another ripe pod. I don't know if I showed that one or not. Here's a green pod. Tons and tons of pods, man, everywhere. Whoop. Uh-oh. Look, those cups that are there to fill the holes, because I have too many holes, are full of water. Why would that be? Oh, right. Yeah, you gotta have a greenhouse roof to keep the rain out. Yeah, that happened again. What else do we got? Oh, I got rope in here. These are hanging up some of my peppers. You can see I got these goofy little clips there. I have more ropes over here coming off of this goofy little thing. I don't know. There's so much I haven't talked about in a long time, but hey, what the heck? Doing it now. What else do we have? Oh, there's another almost ripe pod. This is, I was talking about the mangoes, but this is a pineapple. I was going to say about the mangoes, hopefully I can show you one, about how I don't like them when they're in the in-between stage between, quick, find one, quick. Here we go. A green pod and, hey, what the heck, right next to it. A ripe pod. This one actually looks kind of goofy too. Kind of like mustard looking. Very weird. Let me see. Look at this, man. It's just overhanging everywhere, branches everywhere. I don't even know how I'm going to get through here without breaking the branches. This is fairly new. It normally doesn't overhang that much. I guess I need another clip here on that rope. Hang this Kangstar white Thai up. There's another couple Kangstars in here. Here's one right here. Look at that, man. Tons and tons of pods all over it. Another one. I just picked all the pods off of all of these plants, the Kangstars, and they're just popping off like crazy. I guess because of the colder weather. Here's some more. This is all ahi pineapple. Yes, it is, because look at the ripe ones. I intentionally didn't pick any of these pods, just so I can show off some ripe ones there. Looking good, man. Who else do we have in here? I don't even know, man. Really, well, I haven't been doing update videos, so it doesn't really matter what they are. I just come out, and if they're ripe, I pick them. There's a Sugar Rush. Should be a pile of them down here, and they should be close to ripe, because they've been here for a while. There we go. Sugar Rush. It's close to ripe. I'll probably pick that one anyway. That one's pretty close. There's more down here. I just can't find them. Digging around. Oh, no, I guess I picked some of those. All right. Maybe they aren't there now. Look, here's some more Sugar Rush over here, just starting to take off. Looking great. Flowers. Here's an ahi mango. Look at that color on that baby. Nice. Looking good. Who else do we have? We got all kind of stuff back here. What the heck is this? That must be a Sugar Rush, and that is some weird looking pod there, man. I know that wasn't correct English, but whatever. Look at that. Looks like just a regular old pepper, whereas the other ones look short and stubby. Looking cool. Who else do we got? That's a ripe sugar rush right there. Doesn't look like it on the camera. And it's not blossom end rot. It kind of looks like corking. What else do we have here? This is white Fatale. They have not been coming out white. They've been coming out peach. All of them. That one obviously is not ripe. What the heck are these? Oh, more ahi pineapples. Jeez, oh man, look at this. Looking great. Eat your heart out, Canadians. Or just, well, heck, anybody, I guess. New Jersey just got snow. There's another sugar rush, looking all pretty. Alright, who else do we have here? There's an ahi lemon back here somewhere. I think it was labeled as my mystery. No, it wasn't labeled as mystery. Here's some more freaking sugar rush. Nice big fat ones. There's one that's almost ripe right there. Sorry, I gotta get... Oh, there is a really ripe one right there. Where'd you go there, little buddy? Holy cow. And it's not showing up. It looks yellow on camera, and it's got corking too. But that is peach color there. I said color. Look, there we go. There's a white Fatale, and it's peach too, and you can't tell. Kind of looks yellow on camera. But, yes, I have writing on my hand. What else do we have down here? Here's another ahi lemon right there. Looking good. More ahi lemon over here. Look, these are all these pods right here. All are ahi lemon. Let's skip to the mangoes. There's another sugar rush here, too. There's a sugar rush. Oops. Still can't get it. There we go. A couple right there. Those are small. There's a half decent one. Another one right here. Look at that. It's long with a little, almost like a tail. Here's another bunch of them right here. Looking good. I got weird stuff going on. That looks like bacterial fungus or whatever. Oh, leaf came right off. But I got other stuff like, that kind of looks like chlorosis maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's just nitrogen deficiency. Here I already mentioned a bunch of these sugar rush mixed in with, holy cow, look at the size of that ahi mango. That thing looks like a bean. Yeah, these ahi mangoes, I am super excited. There's another ripe one. Nope, not ripe. Nowhere near ripe. What was I thinking? Sugar rush, but there's ahi mangoes all over the place in here. Sorry, it's getting dark. Ahi mango. Here's a ripe one back here. Oh yeah, look at that sucker. I love the way they look. Here's another ahi mango. That thing is growing out and over outside of the greenhouse. Most of the entire plant is outside of the greenhouse. So every time I have to look at it, I kind of have to do one of these things. But there's pods all over this thing. Looking great. Oh, let's just skip ahead. These ones, they started changing colors. The green went to a light green instead of dark green. Got more ahi mangoes, looking beautiful. My battery's gonna die, daggone it. Another ahi mango. I'm not even halfway done here. Another ripe ahi mango. Let's see if I can find one of those unripe ahi. Oh, here's another ripe mango. Nice. I'll find one of those unripe mangoes. And we get wacky different ways of growing. Like that one's all scrunched up on the bottom there. Looks kind of cool. Anything else? Some kind of like oak leaf or something like that. I think I mentioned this one. Who else? Here's another one. That one's ripe. Come on, I want to find one in the in-between stage so I can show off what I was talking about. Because I really do not like the way they look. I mean, it's natural, but it just looks weird. But look at all these pods, if you can see that, man. Just pods everywhere, all over this one. This back one took forever to start producing, and once it did, look at it. I mean, it looks like a freaking Christmas tree that I hung decorations on. I mean, every single branch has something on it. Looking freaking nice. As you can see, I think I might have a little water problem in this one. First off, you see standing water here, which should have ran into the container, and you can see water in there. Probably got to break out the pump. Here's some more standing water on top. That's not good. We just had rain. It rained like a day and a half straight. I mean, a lot. Oh, actually, the breaker tripped too out here. Huh. And I'm filling up the freaking fish tank with the catfish in it. Dang it. That was dumb. I should have looked in there first. I just knew I was really low on water. Alright, let's get out of this area. Jeez, oh man, look at this. Just surrounded by plant. I can't even get through. Let's see if I can get through here without breaking anything. There's another ripe pineapple. Alright, let's get through. You can't hear water running because the breaker is tripped. Hey, look out. There's that garden that I haven't done an update about in months. Over here, pieces of plastic hanging everywhere. This little bunch of plants here are the lemon drops that were really, really small for a long time. There's an in-between lemon drop and another in-between lemon drop, but no in-between mangoes. Weird. But we got some more lemon drops. Some of these are really, really small pods. Some of them are average size. If you get up here, those are small too. Alright, here's a nice little one. They kind of hang outside of the greenhouse there, but there's pods everywhere, all over just about everything that I'm growing, really. Look, here's more. They're looking beautiful. I'm so glad I didn't pick anything before I started shooting. But ahi, lemon everywhere here. Here's another lemon. It's getting so dark so quick. I blame that on that stupid time change. More tiny ahi lemons, but there's some half-decent ones on here. That half-decent. Not as big as I would like, but pretty good. Let's move on. Let's make this go a lot quicker. Man, I wish I would have had an update, but you can ask Dave, and maybe he'll send you the picture of some of these yellow naga brains. They were like twice the size of this one, and they were growing off this little offshoot. As you can see, most of the plant just kind of takes off and goes that way. This little offshoot right here, it just started producing crazy big things. I don't know what the heck is going on with this leaf. That's weird. I don't like that leaf. Go away. Nope, we didn't see that. Ew, that leaf's looking horrible too. Oh, jeez, man. Here, look. See? That's what you do when you don't like your leaves. Bam! Oh, look, this one's horrible too. Maybe that's why it's growing all this new growth here. I don't know. Let's move on. It's getting dark so quick. Dang, nothing. Here's a yellow naga brain there. Ooh, starting to turn a little bit there. Nice. This is Kyoto Cream, and it is looking awesome. Those are both ripe. They kind of look peach colored. Here's a yellow naga brain here. None of these are really respectful for what they were looking like. Do I have anything else on this plant? Here's another one. Oh, that one's starting to turn too. Got a little bacterial spot, it looks like. Here's a Kyoto Cream, looking good, or an unripe one there. Some of these plants have just been struggling through the summer. Now it's almost winter. This is Boot Orange Copenhagen crossed with pineapple. Every single pod I've gotten were about that size. They're kind of small. I don't know why. I don't know if that's what they're supposed to look like or what. But hey, whatever. And they are very good too. I just showed that one. Here's more Boot Orange Copenhagen crossed with pineapple over here. Oh, whoa, don't show that pot off. I'm getting to that. That one's hanging over. This one's losing leaves like crazy. So it knows winter's coming, but most of the actual plant, oh, it's coming over here where it lost leaves. Okay, never mind. Here is a Boot Orange, right? Yes, Boot Orange Copenhagen crossed with pineapple. That's ripe. It's kind of peach colored. Now let's move on to one of my absolute favorite peppers that I grew. I'm so glad I grew this, and I probably will never stop growing it. Unripe, ripe. Aji jovito. That's correct. You pronounce it with an H because it's a Spanish word. But look at this sucker, man. I love these things. When you cut them open, they smell like a super hot, but they are not. They are actually very, very pleasant of a pod to eat. Man, I'm going to eat the heck out of these things tonight. Here's some more over here. Look at this. I haven't been out in the garden in a day or two here, and now we have ripe pods looking great. Let me see, who else do we have? Wow, new growth. This stuff all just popped off fairly recently. Let's see, do we have any more to show off here? There's a ripe pod. Nice. And unripe pods. Just pods everywhere, man. If I showed off every pod, it would take me, well, longer than this video. And then this one guy right here, this thing, everything just hangs right off the side here. Look at this. All that is one plant here. Look at that. Nice one. Almost right there. I'd probably pick it. Which, I don't know if you know that. You can pick them when they are just starting to turn color. If you're going to send them to somebody, that's ideally what you want to do, is pick them right before they're fully ripe, and that way they can ripen up in the box. Let's see, look, here's more. Look at that, man. Another ripe one right hanging under there, another ripe one right there. Just looking absolutely gorgeous. Whoa, that's like an overripe one there. It's supposed to be yellow. That one's like red or dark orange or something like that. But look at that, man. Just pods everywhere. But this, I don't know what it is about this. I mean, the pods, I guess, is what I really like about this plant. But I don't know. It's a great plant to have, too. Which, I don't know. More and more, that's kind of how I judge my peppers. If they have a good pod, and secondly, how do they actually grow? Because I like plants that actually grow big and bushy. Alright, well, if I got cut off by the battery dying, I was saying that I like my plants to grow big and bushy and full and everything like that. So, alright, that's enough from me. Sun's practically down at this point, so I guess I spent long enough out here looking at the peppers. But I had a minute, so I figured I'd come out here, show them off, and now I have to go back and retrace my steps and pick all the pods. Like this little guy right here. Yeah, baby. That one's not even fully ripe. Well, maybe it is. But, yeah, I'm going to start picking these things, and, that way, I'm going to have one heck of a taco dinner tonight. But anyway, yeah, that was me checking out my super hot peppers. They are still going. My breaker is tripped on these other gardens here. All kind of stuff going on with them. I haven't showed them off in a while. I will do that at a later date. What the heck, man? It's been months since I did it, so maybe it'll take me another month to actually show them off, but you'll see it here. So hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell. That way you get notifications of when we go live, which is usually on Mondays and Fridays. Make sure you tune into the live streams just to find out when my friends are going live. We'll try to advertise that for everybody else. Little quick overview. Let me see. Saturday, Brando. Saturday night, Brando Toe. He's going live. Sunday night, Talk Time with Three Pepper Guys. That's Charles P. Monday's me. There'll be more people popping up. Thursday is the Bat and Bear show on Make It Wayne Batman channel. And back to me on Friday. And yeah, so make sure you hit up all my friends and watch them when they go live. Give them tons of thumbs up and all that fun stuff. Yeah, make sure you hit that Mystery Amazon link. You'll find that down below in the description. And do all that fun, happy social media stuff, like leaving a comment down below. Not just for me. I love the comments, but for everybody else. It's supposed to be a social media experiment, so trying to connect people with other people. Leave a comment. That way other people can see you were here. They can look you up and subscribe to you. Find other people down in the comments, subscribe to them, do all that fun, happy social media stuff. I will catch you on a live stream sometime soon, and another update video coming soon, or maybe I'll be fixing something, or breaking something. I don't know. You'll have to find that out later, but hit that bell for notifications. You'll find out when that happens. So, till then, I will catch y'all in the next live stream. So, till then, later.